Welcome to the Mineshaft property in the community of Copper Basin in Santan Valley. This community offers a community pool, a gym, and a clubhouse. It's a great community. Let's go check this home out. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 1,688 square feet, and it feels larger than that. With these vaulted ceilings throughout, it's an open floor plan. I love that about this home. And you have a spacious formal living, which you can also convert to a dining, but in this case, also for homeschooled kids. And as you come in this way, we enter the kitchen area that has a kitchen island, stainless steel appliances, white painted cabinets. They added the hardware in this kitchen. You have an eat-in kitchen with a dining table and a spacious family room. This TV room is amazing, and the TV mount stays. This ceiling fan was just replaced in the last few years. It is amazing. You can feel the breeze as I'm talking, but let's go check out the rooms.